Hello, this is Pakistan Excel English School, and in this video we're going to show you how you could enter the online classroom. But before you do, you should keep in mind the following. First, you should know that the school is going to contact you with the username and password. We're also going to be sending you the timetable along with it. You should also keep in mind that you should never share the username or password with anyone else, and you should keep all files we send you saved on your phone or your computer. Once we send you the username and password, you should try and open Edunation. So, the way you do that is by opening any browser you have. I'd recommend you using Avast, Google Chrome, or Firefox. I wouldn't recommend you use Microsoft Explorer or Microsoft Edge. Once you open your browser, you go to the URL bar and you write edu/nation.net and you click enter. Once you do that, you should be able to see the login button here. You click on login and you should start writing the student's username and password. Once you write them, click on login. Once you log in, you should be able to see three very important things. You should be able to see Arabic, homeroom. Homeroom is for English, math, science, or social studies, and Islamic. Let's say the student has an English class, so he should go to homeroom. Next, he should be able to click on conference. Conference means the online class. So he click on conference and he should be able to see all conferences. So if he has an English class right now, he should be able to click on join. A new window will open and it will ask you if you'd like to have your camera on and your microphone on. I'd always recommend you to close your camera but keep your microphone open to talk with the teacher. Then you will have to click on enter now. It will start checking your internet connection, making sure it's good, and it then will start checking your video if you opened your camera. It will ask you if you can hear the music. You click on yes. It will check on your microphone next. You should choose the microphone that you're using and then you test it by saying, for example, hello 1 2 3. It is recording it for you. If you can hear it, click on yes. Once you do that, you should be able to enter the classroom in no time. How can you do that from your phone or your tablet?
To do it from your phone, you first have to download the application called Edunation. You should be able to find it on both Google Play or the Apple Store. Once you do, you should click on Open. Once you click on Open, you should write the student's username and password. Once you wrote the username and password, you should click on Login. If, for example, you have an English class in your homeroom, you should click on the very top button right up there and try to search for homeroom. Once you do, you should click on conference and try to search for your English class, which is, for me, it is all the way down over here where I can click on join conference. It should start loading your conference. Once you do that, Give it 1 second and then it will ask you the same thing, whether you would like to enter with the camera on and the microphone on. You can disable both of them if you would like and then click on Enter Now. Once you do that, give it a second or two to start booting up and then you should be able to enter the class successfully.